Today, I came across some incredible scientific data that compare the past summers with the one just past, summer of 2021. A summer in which we saw extreme climatic events happening one after the other in different parts of the world, from Asia to the United States, from Canada to Germany, and then Italy, Russia, Africa. Many violent and in rapid succession. Opposing these extreme catastrophic events, we listen to the words of the rulers where these events occurred, who made themselves available to accept the requests coming from the environmentalists and to act upon them. But actually, they were words, only words. The problem is that once the extreme event is over, once the damage count is over, there is no longer any talk of a climate emergency, neither by politicians nor by the media. The confirmation of this is what happened systematically in the past. In fact, I went to find some data on the NASA portal. In particular, for any period of time, it can be displayed the anomalies of the temperatures with respect to a given period. Firstly, I went to see the anomalies of my year of birth, 1976, with respect to a previous period, my parents' year of birth, 1947. And in 1976, scientists were already alerting governments to the bad state of our environment and the need to take actions to reverse the course. And this is what I saw in the comparison of 1976 with this year. It is interesting to note that there are anomalies, even much more obvious, comparing 1976 to a closer year, 2015, the year of the famous Paris Agreement. Once again, we heard so many words, but never the right one: emergency. And then I went to see the data with respect to 1997, the year of the Kyoto Protocol. How many empty promises there are too. And finally, I went 2 years earlier to 1995, the year of the first COP. The COP is the Conference of the Parties, which every year brings together the UN countries to tackle the issue of the climate change. That first conference was held in Berlin, Germany. Germany, which this summer saw the worst climate catastrophe in its history, with thousands of people made homeless and hundreds of deaths. This is why this year, for COP number 26, it is important that there is a stronger push of the international public opinion towards governments so that they act effectively. And for it to be effective, it must be radical. And it needs to involve a class struggle and social justice. Enough with the lies, enough with the omissions of truth, enough with the delays and with the compromises. The numbers and the scientific data prove that they lied for so long, and their lies cost biodiversity and lives.